Good day everyone, you're watching RayTube Fixes. On today's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick fix on if you're not able to open any pictures or photos on your Windows 10 machine, and especially if you get this particular error message. Now, there are quick simple steps which you need to follow to resolve this problem. Now, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to go to the Microsoft website, which I will mention the link in the video description. Go ahead and download this tool. Once you download the tool, you will have to go to the location where the download once the download is complete. All you have to do is you will have to go ahead and extract this particular file. I'm going to do a right click on the zip file and click on extract here. So what this is going to do is it's going to extract the file onto this folder. Once the extraction is complete, you will have to go to the open PowerShell on your computer screen. Open PowerShell as an administrator. So in the search box, you will have to go ahead and type PowerShell. Once you see Windows PowerShell, you will have to do a right click on it, click on Run as Administrator. In case if you get User Access Control prompt, you will have to go ahead and click on Yes. Copy this command line and paste it here and hit Enter. So once this is done, that particular Windows photo package will be uninstalled from your computer. You will have to go ahead and exit this window. And the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to copy the location where you have extracted your PS tools. So in my case, it would normally if you save it in your downloads folder or on your desktop, it would be under C users, your username and your desktop. And if you have created a folder, it will be under PS tools. So in my case, I'm going to copy this location, go to this notepad where I have all my command prompts saved, paste it here, copy the whole command line, open command prompt in the administrator mode, that is type in the search box, I'm going to type cmd, do a right click on it and click on run as administrator. In case if you get user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue. Paste the command line and hit enter. Now this should open up the PS execution license agreement. You may click on agree, and this will in turn open another command prompt window. Now once you have a second command prompt window, you will have to go back to the commands, copy the whole command line and paste it in the second command prompt window, not the first one, the second one. Okay, paste it here and hit enter. So what this will do is if you get a prompt, click on yes or Y, hit Y on your screen and hit enter. So what this will do is it will remove all the packages, Windows Photos packages from your computer. Once you have removed all the Windows Photo packages, you can minimize all the window, go back to Microsoft Store, and once you open Microsoft Windows Store, you will have to look for Microsoft Photos. So under app section, you will find Microsoft Photos. Click on Get, and you will have to go ahead and download a Microsoft Photos on your Windows 10 machine. Now, once the download is complete, you should be able to open Microsoft Photos on your computer. And I will also mention all the command lines and the link which to download PS Tools, which is required to fix the problem in the video description. And in case if you like this video, or if in case if this issue has been resolved with this step, please make sure you hit the like button. And also leave me a comment in case if this is not fix the issue, I can provide you with the better solution. And not to forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.